How to add home address in Google Maps. So hello guys, if you want to add your home address in Google Maps, how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Google Maps app. So I will simply click on that. Here you guys will see on top right corner small profile pic. So simply click on that. Once you click here you guys will see your profile, your timeline, location sharing, offline maps. But we will simply scroll to end. Here you guys will see settings, so simply click on settings. Once you click here you guys will see edit home or work, so simply click on that. Here you guys will see home work, so simply click on home. Now here search for your home address, so I will simply search for that. After searching for your home address, simply click on that. Once you click on that, you guys will see done option, so simply click on done. Now here your home address will be saved in Google Maps. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.